What's up, YouTube connoisseurs? Welcome to my little channel, Appalachian Smoke Wagon, where here you'll get an honest opinion on the firearms that I have in my small collection, things that what I think about stuff going on in the gun culture, and just an honest opinion on things. So if you really love the Second Amendment, if you love freedom, then hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting on? Thank you in advance. The channel's really growing faster than I really thought it would. It's really surprising me, so thanks. And today I'm going to bring you a silicone carbide grip kit from 71 Creative. I purchased this with my own money. Nothing was sent to me, so you're going to get, this is just like an unboxing, what I got. I was out doing the lawn today, and this package came, and I ordered it a couple days ago, so quick shipping, which is a plus. I felt a friend's gun at the range that had this done to it, and the grip really felt good. It felt really grippy. So I was like, I got on the interwebs and found me a kit, and I ordered it. Now everything you get in this kit, you can order on Amazon separately. Like if you already have a lot of the little things in here, you wouldn't have to order this kit, but I wasn't sure what epoxy to get or anything, so I just went ahead and got the kit that's made for this. So it's just the easy way out of having to research epoxies and all that stuff. So I ordered the kit, and it's fairly priced, I think. And I do a lot of things myself. Like I've stippled my own grips, I've undercut trigger guards. I'm a pretty hands-on dude, so I was like, yeah, I can do that. I watched a couple videos on it. It looks like a fairly easy process. It's kind of like painting. Your prep work is the better your prep work, the better your finished product will come out. So I'm going to give it a shot, and I'm going to show you guys what you get in the kit. First, you get the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. I actually ordered extra epoxy. The kit is supposed to be enough to do 2 grips. So I went ahead and ordered an extra epoxy with it. I may end up doing two of my grips with this. We'll see how the first one turns out, which it should turn out okay, but we'll see. I will show you, good or bad. I'm going to show you guys how it turns out. I mean, Glock frames aren't that expensive, so if something would happen to happen, you know, I'll just order another frame, whatever. But so in the kit, you would just get 1 hardener and 1 resin. I went ahead and ordered an extra, so I've got 2 of each. You get masking tape. You get the bowl. You kind of like hold your grip over this as you sprinkle it on. The excess goes in here, then you can reuse it or whatever. So you get a little like disposable bowl. Here's the main attraction, the silicone carbide. I chose, on this website, there's 5 different grits to choose from. I chose the middle of the road, which is 80. Open this up and let you get a look at it. It kind of looks like gray sand. This stuff is really grippy. On the one I handled, I was like, man, I've got to do that. Because I like stippled grips. Like I can shoot fine with a factory grip, but just that extra grip, I like it. So I thought I would try this. This is a permanent modification. So if you're wishy-washy and kind of like to do things and then remove them, this is not removable. I mean, unless you like grind it off or something. So once you go here, there's no turning back. So there's the silicone carbide. You get a bunch of little tools to work with. There's the spoon to scoop it up and sprinkle it on. You get a break off razor blade, Q-tips, a couple little like cut-in brushes, because you brush the epoxy on kind of like a paint. A couple stir sticks, alcohol prep pads. Here's the big brushes to paint the epoxy on before you sprinkle your stuff. Get 2 of those. Get 71 Create. There's the website. That's where I got the stuff. If anyone's interested in trying it. You get a patch. I was not expecting patches. I actually have a patch collection. A lot of people hang them on their wall. I stick my patches on the what's it called? The headrest of my truck. I've got a bunch of patches. I think it looks pretty cool. And last but not least, you get a piece of sandpaper to rough your grip up to give the epoxy something to stick to. So this is pretty fairly priced. You can go on the website and look at the prices. YouTube's kind of giving me a hard time over saying prices on my videos, so you won't be hearing any more prices. And for me, they probably wouldn't say too much about this, but I'm just trying to train myself not to say prices. But for the price I paid, it's not a bad deal for all you get. I've already got my gun, my firearm taped up and pretty much prepped to go. I'm going to do the process, let it dry. I will come back and show you guys the finished product. There's several videos already on YouTube on how to do it, so I'm not going to do a how-to. I'm just showing you what comes in the package, and then I will show you the finished product. So if anyone is or has ever been interested in silicone carbide grips, tune back in and you'll see the finished product in a couple days. I'll have another video out. Thanks for watching. Just want to show you the little project I'm getting ready to dip my toes into. So wish me luck. I hope it turns out good. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, because I know everyone that watched this has already subscribed. I really appreciate it. And until the next one, Appalachian Smoke Wagon out for now.